Hi everyone, it's Temi with YellowSparksJoy. Welcome to my channel. So for today's video, I have a quick what fit for you guys. I've been using this bag for the weekend. This is the Kleo Top Handle from Coach Outlet in the signature chambray version. So Coach Outlet has this in different colors. They have the marble blue multi, the faded blush multi, and the signature canvas multi. And this is one of their most recent styles to launch on the Outlet website, and it's part of the Kleo line. So there's the Kleo Top Handle, the Kleo Backpack, the Kleo Shoulder Bag in 2 sizes, and the Kleo crossbody. I know this bag is in very high demand. It's already sold out in the US. They've restocked it once. It's sold out in Canada as well, and then they restocked it. So it's currently still available on Canadian website. It's available in all the other different colors as well, and I will link everything in the description box below. I've come to love it even more after using it this weekend. This is my first time using this bag since I got it. I started using it on Friday, used it on Saturday, and I use it today. Today is Sunday, so it's very easy to use. It's not a very big bag, and I find that small bags work really well for me because I don't carry a whole lot. So it does have a zip pocket at the back, and today I've mostly used that for my phone, just to put my phone in there. Yesterday I put some cash in there for a while as well, but other than that I haven't really used this back pocket much. Right now there's nothing in there, and I only just got home, so there's nothing in there at the moment. I do find that this tassel doesn't stay in place. I would have thought it would come to the front this way, but I find that most times when I carry the bag, it ends up at the back, and I don't like that at all. I'd rather it stay in the front, but mine doesn't. I don't know if you have one of these and it does the same thing. Please let me know in the comments. Where does yours go? Does it go to the side? Does it stay in the front? Or does it always go to the back? That's the one thing I don't like about the bag, and I find that I'm constantly adjusting it and moving it to the front, and yeah, I don't like messing with my bag when I'm carrying it, but this just makes me touch it all the time because it just irritates me for some reason. But yeah, maybe it's just me, maybe it's just this one bag. If you have a solution for that, please let me know. So I've carried this bag crossbody more than I have top handle, which is weird for me because I'm really a top handle person, but I guess because the past 3 days that I've used it, I've been really going more casual, and it's just worked best for me to be crossbody. So it hits me at a very nice length. I like where it hits me. Right now I have it on the middle setting. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 holes, and I have it right in the middle, and it hits me just fine. So it's easy for me to open and close it while it's on my body crossbody, which is nice. So simple snap button magnetic closure here, and microfiber lining on the inside. And this is what I have and what I have used this weekend that has worked really well for me. So here I have a pack of tissues. So, and this is the back compartment, which is the biggest, I think. So I had tissues, hand cream, winter candy apple hand cream from Bath and Body Works. I have perfume, my travel size perfume bottle, Lady Million. This is my absolute favorite fragrance from Paco Rabanne. Hand sanitizer, the sweet cinnamon pumpkin from Bath and Body Works. And that's all that is in that back compartment. There's nothing, I put nothing in the slip compartment here. So you can see, like, even for a small size bag, I find it hard to fill up just because I don't carry that many things. And then here in the front compartment, I have my card holder, which is from Coach, just a simple turn lock, and I received this as a free gift, so I don't know how much it is. I also cannot link it because I got it for free. It just has a Coach stamp at the back, and I love the color of this. So this holds all my cards that I use, my essential cards, my ID, my work ID, my driver's license, and my credit and debit card. And my Costco card, because Costco. Very important. I have my key pouch here, and that's the only other thing that this is. The bag is already even empty. It wasn't full at all. I did not pack it to the max because I didn't have any reason to. And this is my key pouch. Ordinarily my keys would be on the inside, but yeah, because I just got home, I took it out to open the door. So this is how the key pouch usually is in my bag, and this is the biggest key pouch I have in this style. This is from Daisy Rose on Walmart.com. It is the brown checkered print key pouch. I think it's what it's called. I've had this for about 2 years now. If it's still available on the Walmart.com website, I will link it. It does not ship to Canada for those of you that are in Canada. I remember when I bought it 2 years ago, I had to ship to a friend's house in the US, and then they posted it to me. If it's changed now, I'll put everything, all the information you need in the description box below. But I like this one because it's the same idea of a zipper pouch, which many houses have, which many designer houses have. It's the same idea, it's the same layout, just a pouch with a zip on top and a keychain on the inside. But this one is bigger. It's a bigger size. I wish I had my mini pochette to compare, but I don't. I think I did compare it in the very first video I did showing this, and I'll link that below so you can see that comparison. But I like this because this is so much bigger and it holds so much more. If I wasn't using this, I would have my cards in here as well, but this is the setup I have, and it worked very well with this bag. I loved it, and it hasn't tarnished at all. I do have some hairline scratches, as you can see, but otherwise the color has not changed, and it's really, really good. So on the inside, I have my car keys, I have my house keys that's hanging on the hook, and this is what the hook looks like, the key ring. I just added this to it, and then I have some cash, I have some hard candy and a lip balm and some coins, and that's essentially all I needed for my runs, for church, for visits, things like that, all weekend long. So I did not put anything in the zipper compartment at all, and so this is how I had it. And then this is my phone case, and you see how this is at the back again. Like, it's so annoying. Anytime I open the flap, it just goes to the back. It's so annoying. It irritates me all the time. And so I had my phone in the back like this. On some occasions I had it like this for easy access. So that has been my setup this weekend. I've been grocery shopping, I've been to a hockey game, I've been to church, I've been to visit friends. So it's been good, it's served me well. I really enjoyed carrying this. So yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this short and quick what's in my bag. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you're not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. I would love to have you here. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.